Okay, hi guys! Si Rahaf to. And it's so boring, so magbibideo na lang ako. Okay, so Benedicto Alentado is doing the Freedom Wall. Yes. Freedom Wall. See you, Monarch! Naka-picture nila si Twiba. Wait, tapos may memory to. Meron? All you need is faith and trust and a little bit of pink sitas. Wow, ang ganda. Orange balloons. We burn the brightest in the dark night. Pins of the sea! Ganda, no? Sayang! For the win! Sorry si Twiba. Oh. Sorry to say, pero ang boring talaga ng foundation din natin ngayon. Right?
Hindi ako mataas. Taas nila. Laki na points.
Yellow Falcon. Intermediate. Okay, bye-bye.